and you've been asking for it. I've been getting lots of comments saying they want to see a recipe from the papaya, or the paw paw as we call it here in Barbados. So today I'm going to share with you how to make Papaya Drink. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 paw paw, we're not going to use all of it, sugar to taste, and the juice from 1 lime. Now I'm going to get ready to cut the paw paw. Now the paw paw is rich in vitamin C and vitamin A and is filled with nutrients. Like most fruits, it's usually green when it's unripe and it turns nice and yellow and soft when it's ripe. Now I'm going to cut the paw paw in half, both sides, and then we're going to remove the seeds. It's usually filled with lots of seeds. Whoa, just look at it. Filled with lots of seeds. Now some persons actually eat these seeds, but I don't. I put these seeds back into the earth to plant and to grow again. Now we're not going to use all of this paw paw today, so I'm going to cut it in half again, which will be 1/4. I'm going to use just 1/4. Oh, it smells really good. Oops. We're going to use just 1/4. So I'm going to de-seed it. I'm going to remove all of the seeds. Then I'll remove the skin. And then we're going to get ready to blend. Okay, I have removed all of the seeds from this 1/4 of the paw paw. We're going to put that aside. Now I'm going to cut the paw paw. I'm going to make some tiny squares. This is one way to get the insides. Then I'll do it this way. And I'll try to remove all of the paw paw from here, like so. Now I would have scraped off all of the excess paw paw off of the skin, the excess in here. Now we're going to add it to the blender with some lime juice and sweeten to taste. So we're going to add our paw paw to the blender, allow it to blend, then we'll add the sugar and the lime juice. Juice is done. Just look at it, a lovely bright orange color, just like the sun. Now we're just going to stir to make sure all of the sugar is fully combined with the paw paw and the lime juice. This paw paw was a sweet paw paw, so you don't need to have too much sugar. But if your paw paw wasn't sweet, then you could add a bit more sugar or honey to make sure you get the desired taste. Now it's time to taste. Papaya Drink, quick and easy. It's not too thick. Just look, it's a beautiful color. I can definitely smell the paw paw from here. Tropical, fruity, filled with vitamin C and vitamin A. Perfect. Papaya Drink. Now you need to try it.